I think this last one is also interesting as well. At least it's not what I would have expected. I would have expected, given the role of caregiver, that there are other priorities for that household, for that person. But here at the bottom, we see that only a third of caregivers agree with the statement that retirement savings is not a priority, meaning the other 2/3 think it is. And that's the same as non-caregivers.
Yeah, I mean, that one's tough because I think there's again a diversity of experience within caregivers. And so when I think about, a adult child, right? Typical, what you think of as a typical caregiver, which would be someone in their late 40s caring for an aging parent, typically a woman, that they're seeing the impact of their parents' retirement savings. So I could see where that may become a higher priority, right? The vast majority of caregivers are in their working years. So I could see maybe that's sort of a variation there. So I think everyone has kind of different priorities depending what's going on in their life. And so while I think there are some unique things about caregivers, I think it's important to remember that within the caregiver group, there's probably some different variations and emphases to place in terms of financial planning, which is why I think it's really important that financial companies, financial advisors are having these conversations with caregivers about some of the challenges they may be facing.